In this video, we'll go over Kusama. What is currently happening with the coin? Will it be one of the very small percentage of coins that won't go to zero for the next bull run? With such changes in the cryptocurrency markets such as the crash of Luna or the frozen funds of Celsius, cryptocurrency has definitely changed over the past few years, with the rise of meme coins and NFTs. In this video, we'll see if the coin has the potential to go to the moon for this upcoming bull run. Before we begin, we are having a 900 XLM coin giveaway. To enter, all you need to do is give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, Kusama to the moon. And we'll announce the winner on September the 31st. Now, let's get right to the video. There are many ways to make money in crypto. For example, if you only took a $1,000 leveraged short position on Luna at its price of $110 and rode its downfall to zero, you could have potentially walked off with over $1 million. But with such a risk on your investment, not many recommend leverage trading, especially in crypto. NFTs have also taken the market by storm, from people buying a monkey JPEG for $300 and selling it at over $400,000 6 months later. But because there are so many opportunities, and now that we are in a bear market, no one really knows what to dabble into. So this is why we're taking a look at Kusama, to see if it has the potential to run 1000x on your money for the next bull run. So, what exactly is Kusama? Self-described as Polkadot's wild cousin, Kusama is an experimental blockchain platform that is designed to provide a massively interoperable and scalable framework for developers. Kusama is built on Substrate, a blockchain building kit developed by Parity Technologies. Kusama has almost the same codebase as Polkadot, one of the most successful interoperable blockchains. By deploying on Kusama, fast-paced projects gain access to a highly scalable, interoperable sharded network, with features that are not yet available on Polkadot. To that end, Kusama describes itself as a canary network. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. Kusama is unusual among blockchain platforms since it is predominantly built for developers that want to launch bold, ambitious projects, with a fast-evolving pace of development. It is built on a multi-chain, heterogeneously sharded design that uses a nominated proof-of-stake (NPS) consensus system, an alternative consensus mechanism to the energy-intensive proof-of-work (POW) scheme employed by several other blockchains. This system enables it to perform rapid on-chain upgrades without a fork, and support cross-chain message passing (XCMP) to enable communication with other parachains on the Kusama network. Like Polkadot, Kusama features on-chain governance capabilities. This on-chain governance is both decentralized and permissionless, allowing anybody with Kusama's KSM tokens or parachain tokens to vote on their respective governance proposals, which might include putative upgrades, changes to the protocol, and feature requests. This on-chain governance procedure is roughly 4 times faster than that offered by Polkadot, with a combined voting and enactment period of just 15 days, leading to the rapid pace of development for projects built on Kusama. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting $135 by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.